today I'm gonna show you about how do I make my Vroid posing. When you keep asking me about this, that's why I'm going to tell you. So, simply, I open the Vroid, the old version. It is better and easier than now. Then after that, I will do the posing. I use the reference at the picture. And then usually I use a sketch, but this time I'm combining the picture from Tears of Themis and the birthday look. It was a request and I mean I'm sorry, it doesn't mean to have to be like this. Okay. Okay, we fix it now. Then after that, I go to the Photoshop. I have old Photoshop version, and I keep it. I used the light before. This is the previous. I used the previous one. I did Yuki-chan before, so to make the project more easier. I keep lighting and try to match it to the model. I try to match it to the character light. Actually, there must be a difference because I'm 3D and my model is not 2D models, and Luke is totally 2D man. That's why you can see there is something different here. That's it. That's how I make the picture. Do you like it? Thank you for watching.